All right, so obviously we're looking for a house, but did we win the lottery? Do we have an inheritance?
I wish it were the lottery, but this was an inheritance. Can I show you a picture?
I would love it.
Okay. This is Penny and I, and this is my brother Lenny, who died unexpectedly.
Sorry.
He left everything to Kenny and I, so that's why we're here.
Well, I'm sorry
Thanks
for
to
your
him.
guys' loss. That's
Thank you.
That's really hard. So tell me about this dream house that you guys want to get into. Are we looking in Palm Springs?
I particularly like Desert Hot Springs. However, if a house has 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with a view,
Okay.
it's all about the view,
Like
about
what
the view.
kind? Like what's your ultimate view?
Mountains.
Of course.
Oh, and I gotta have a place to paint.
Yes.
3rd bedroom turn into an art studio or
Okay.
something.
So how much money are you giving me for this house in Desert Springs, Palm
Area.
Desert? Yes.
Between $400 and $450.
Okay. Are you excited for your sister?
I am, yes.
We're looking at Taquit's room first.
This house is really special. It is a Meiselman, and if you know anything about mid-century architecture, that's gold. And we're a little bit above budget at $475,000, just to see how loose those purse strings are. Come on in, my darlings.
Wow, this is cool. I love the ceilings. I
Isn't this
really
fun?
do. And they're so popular now.
They're so popular.
They never go out of style.
They never go out of style.
Fireplace.
Yeah, fireplace is amazing. Huge dining area with that gorgeous view, which I absolutely love.
Cool.
Okay.
What's behind the wall?
We have a beautifully
Whoa.
redone kitchen, high-end finishes.
A nice color. Covers.
Huge sink.
Well
and
done.
what's this?
So this is quartz, basically indestructible. You can put anything hot, cold, whatever on it.
I like that.
Yeah.
I could see myself cooking in here.
Good.
Yeah.
Should we go look at the bedrooms?
Please.
So we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom right this way, my darlings.
Even though there's just 1 bathroom here, it's a great size and finished to perfection, just like the guest bedroom. It feels huge with those vaulted ceilings and flooring that continues throughout the whole house, including the main bedroom.
Let's go sneak out,
Okay.
shall we? All right, come on, my cuties. Look at
Oh,
that.
heaven.
It's heaven.
It is.
I mean, look
Oh
at this
my
view,
God.
you guys. Anything else I can kind of do different for tomorrow?
Maybe come down a little on price.
Okay.
Desert Dusk is just 10 miles north of Palm Springs.
So great dining area here.
Roomier than yesterday.
Looking, we
It
have
is a little more roomy.
gardening view. It's really nice to look out the window, see nature and the sky. I do like it.
There's a small bedroom or office near the front door, and another bedroom for guests that's just across the hall from the bathroom.
So here is our main bedroom.
Very pretty. I like the bed.
This main bedroom comes with an ensuite big enough for Marlene to share with her husband. But I doubt she'll want to share the last bedroom.
Mountains galore.
Mountains everywhere, my loves.
Oh, this is nice.
It's a
blank canvas.
Exactly. That's why I call it designer ready.
Today, we're back out here to see the Palo Verde.
Beautiful house at the top of her budget, except it doesn't have those wonderful views that the other 2 houses have. Come on in, my darlings.
Oh, look at the ceilings here. I just got to take this in.
Take it in. There's a lot to look at. Little island.
Little
That's
island.
nice.
It reads 2000s,
It does.
but it also reads mountains.
The guest wing has 2 bedrooms and a gorgeous full bathroom, with the same granite countertops as the kitchen. And the primary suite on the other end of the house is super private, and also kind of not.
Another bathroom, ensuite. Check it out.
Oh, big bathtub.
Come on, cuties.
Oh, wow. This is big.
Wow.
I know, isn't this nice?
Huge, and I love that.
It's our biggest backyard by far, and it definitely has a lot of potential.
Potential
Ton of potential.
everywhere.
Look at this. Isn't this spectacular?
Beautiful.
It is.
I
Yeah.
swear that's got to be Palm Springs.
That is. P.S. I love you. What a view, right?
Yeah, really.
How worth it would that be?
Beautiful. I picked a house that would be right for our family, my family, and it would be Palo Verde.
I love that house for you. I really, really
With the
do.
big backyard,
Yeah.
I'm ready to climb up and see again, you know? That was beautiful
It was
view up
really
there.
neat.
Panoramic.
Are you excited for her?
I am. If she's
Yeah.
happy, we're
If
all
he
happy.
likes it, and he's tough.
You're gonna buy here. I can feel it. You
Yes.
you look
I
so
hope so.
relaxed
He
now.
is, he
From the
is.
first day, you're
It's
like,
the drink, actually. Thanks.
you're next. Cheers
Here's to my new house.
to your new house.
Linda, a single mom and grandmom, thought she'd be spending the rest of her days in this one-bedroom rental in the coastal town of Scituate, Massachusetts. It's a beautiful location that she never wants to leave. But a $4 million windfall in the Massachusetts lottery has got her thinking about buying her own place. $4 million buys you a property just about anywhere. But Linda wants to stay close to family and friends. What are we looking for?
I'd love to stay in Scituate. This is my home.
Love it.
And I would like to be close to the water. I'm looking for a house relatively small.
Got you.
Because it's just me. And
why so small?
It's just that I don't want my kids moving back in with me. Well, you know, I did my time.
You did? How many bedrooms would you like?
2 to 3.
How many bathrooms?
I'd like 2.
Okay.
Yeah. What I would like is an outdoor deck. Maintenance free for the house, but I like a yard.
Okay. All right, so let's talk budget.
Okay.
Where are we at?
Well, money's not an issue. I know you love hearing that.
I'm loving it.
Yeah,
loving
yeah,
it.
yeah. Maybe $625, give or take a little bit.
Okay. How
Yeah.
little can I take up?
100,000 that way, 100,000 this way.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
Yeah.
Give me some love. I got
Alrighty.
work to do. I'll talk to you
Okay.
later. First up, I'm going straight to the beach, literally on the water. This is the Fell. It has the Atlantic Ocean lapping at its back door. It's nudging the top of Linda's budget at $629,900, but you can't get more oceanfront than this. You can't beat the view.
No, no, you
love
can't.
It. Love
this
it.
is something else.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't love this view? But what about the rest of the house?
Ooh, I don't like the Formica
Right.
or the cabinets.
But this one's an easy fix. It really is not going to cost a ton of money.
It has a gorgeous open floor plan.
I like it. It's very inviting,
Yeah,
but comfortable
yeah.
and cozy. Yeah.
Right.
And there's 4 bedrooms upstairs for when the family visits. But this room is just for Linda.
Obviously.
I love it. I love it.
How
This
about
room.
waking up to this every morning? Right?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But Linda has a yearning for a backyard. So I'm showing her this place just a mile from the water. Shore Acres Harbor is a charming cottage, going for $329,900, leaving plenty of money to make it her own.
Oh my God, it's so cozy.
Isn't it cute?
Really
Yeah.
cozy. Love it.
All right, so we have a cute little dining area here, and of course we have our adorable kitchen.
Nice and cute.
It is.
Isn't it cute?
Cute.
Directly off the kitchen, a sweet deck and yard.
Oh, look.
Isn't that great?
Nice, yeah.
Nice little yard, perfect for
Still
entertaining.
have the privacy with that
The
fence.
fence is great,
Yeah.
isn't
Yeah.
it? You guys want to see the bedrooms?
Yeah.
This house is all on one level and low maintenance.
Here's our
Okay.
first room.
Oh, it's so cute and quaint.
Cute,
Love the
cute.
windows. Yeah.
So here we have a full-size bathroom, which is all
I
completely
love the
redone.
tile.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
Really good.
Yeah, really
Neutral.
cute.
And the second bedroom, where her kids won't be moving in.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Perfect for my office.
Yeah.
It's so cozy.
Yeah, more
It's a
than
cozy,
that.
quaint
Yeah.
house.
It is. I really like that about it. It's homey.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, no waterfront, but it has everything else. For the next property, South Shore Cottage. At just $485,000, I've gone for yard over beach again because I found out that Jean lives right across the street.
All right, guys, come on in.
Wow.
Whoa,
This is
I love
nice.
it.
Isn't this
Oh
great?
my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's an older home from 1927, but every inch has been beautifully renovated. Upstairs, there's a full bath and 2 bedrooms, including the prettiest master.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
this
my
sweet?
God, this is beautiful.
My Goldilocks seems to have found the perfect bed, but we all know the heart of the home is the kitchen.
Oh, really cute.
Whoa. Wow.
Yeah.
I love the cabinets, the countertop.
Granite,
Wow.
nice. Wow, Linda.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
I love
What do you
it.
think?
I love this. Look at the yard.
Yeah, this is what you wanted. A yard, privacy.
Exactly.
This is where it's quiet.
This, it looks like you're in the middle of nowhere.
You know how I know it's quiet? Because
Your house is right there.
Exactly.
So what are you telling me?
So I think I'm telling you that I want South Shore Cottage.
I love that. I knew you were gonna pick that. You're like
Really?
Goldilocks, too big, too small, just right.
Married couple Don and Angelo raised a loving family in Orange County, California, while carefully planning and saving for life after kids. With their daughter Emily and son Ryan moved out, they were getting closer to a comfortable empty nester's life. But after Don won $779,000 on the Powerball, they're swapping comfortable for fabulous and soon for right now.
What am I looking for this forever home?
Ocean view is a must. I want a major ocean view.
You want an ocean
and I
view.
want to be able to
Gotcha.
see it, like a panoramic ocean view.
Now, if it's not an ocean view, it's not a deal.
Right.
Right.
Don and Angelo are looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, open concept home. They like it to be low or no maintenance, and the deal breaker must have spectacular ocean views. The first home I'll be showing Don and Angelo is perched high above San Clemente Beach, just 10 miles south of their current home.
So I'm calling this one Casa Cantore. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,345 square feet. Here we go. Come on in.
Oh,
Wow, look at that view.
very nice.
Yeah, the view is pretty spectacular, isn't it?
Yeah. This is nice.
Did I deliver right?
Yes, you
absolutely.
did. I asked you for a big canvas of a view and you produced.
Yes.
That's awesome. Good job, David.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Okay, this is nice. It's a perfect California kitchen.
Now, would you redo this?
Of course. I always redo stuff.
And I'm sure she's thinking redo in the dining room as well.
So would you tear this out right here?
Exactly.
I
I
would
just
too.
want one big space.
Yep, and while we're at it, I might join this party and tear a couple walls down myself. In the family room, now to cast an eye over the upstairs.
All right, so this is our master bedroom.
Great view.
Really nice view. Yes.
Now, check out the bathroom.
Okay.
I know what you're gonna think already.
Oh, it's really tiny. Yeah, it's a little small.
I don't know if there's
So-
any way to go either.
No, out.
There's another 2 bedrooms up here, but once again, the main attraction's not on the inside.
That's great.
Let's go look at this beautiful view.
Okay, now this is what I'm talking about.
Isn't it sensational?
I can see myself sitting out here having a cup of coffee.
All right.
Yeah.
But view's fine.
Yeah.
View's fine.
View's
Fine.
Yeah.
I can't believe I get a fine.
View's awesome.
It is really pretty.
Yeah, the view is
Very
sensational.
2 miles from their current house, I found this townhome. I think they'll love the view and the fully maintained gardens. But the interior, well, how should I put this?
The 80s are calling and they want their townhome back.
Wow.
Oh, dance party.
All right, so a nice sized living room.
Wow, lots of mirrors.
I know, right?
Weird fireplace.
I actually kind of love it. I think it's super cool.
Oh my.
Nice sized dining room. I
Right.
think it's got a lot of potential as well. And then the kitchen.
Whoa. This is an original early 80s.
Yep.
Yeah, it's small. It's a very small kitchen.
Yeah,
We'd probably take this wall out.
I would agree.
I really love the fact that all the windows, you see the ocean.
I mean, there's a lot of potential here. The bones are good.
Yeah.
Master bedroom, shall
Yes.
we?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. So we have a very large master bedroom.
Oh, great. Oh, I love seeing the ocean from here.
Look at that view. It gets better as you go higher.
I mean, look at this place. It's huge.
Okay, this is nice.
Yeah. It's like a penthouse.
Isn't this great?
Yeah.
The downstairs has a large living area and 2 additional bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. But nothing matters quite so much as what's out here.
Wow. This ocean view is great.
All right, nice large deck.
You think we'd be able to see whales or anything if they were out there?
Yeah, maybe.
This is great. I really do like this. I mean, it's not the road noise that we're used to hearing, and I like that.
But the big thing is the 3 different levels. Other than that, not too much you'd have to do other than change everything.
Yeah, but it's mostly just aesthetic. I mean, I don't think there's a lot of crazy stuff.
There's a lot of potential.
Something to think about, for
amazing.
sure.
The final home is Canyon Sky. To get there, we're heading up the OC coast. This home is comfortably the smallest of our 3 properties. but we are in Laguna Beach, one of the most sought-after beach locations in the world. Come on in.
Oh, wow.
Wow, I was right. Nice
Very
view.
clean. I love all the natural light. This is very me. This is very me.
Yeah, good, good. Let's check out the view.
Okay. Okay.
Beautiful view.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to trim some of those people's.
I agree.
Yeah.
I was like, how dare you keep your bush so long?
This would make a great outdoor living area with more hardscape and maybe fire pit.
Absolutely.
Because you spend a lot of time out here.
This morning, the view is hidden by what they call in Southern California, June gloom. But once the haze burns off, the outlook is spectacular. All right, good sized dining area.
Yeah.
And then we have a pretty small but very nicely done kitchen.
Very simple, clean. I like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Good, good. All right, so here we have our first bedroom.
Well, this is a nice size.
Right,
Right.
decent size. And then here is our second bedroom, which is a great size.
Wow, this is large.
Yeah.
This is not the master?
This is not the master.
Wow, this is a really good size. I love the lights up here.
Check out the
Really
bathroom.
like that.
All right.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Another nicely
I love
done.
the floor.
All right, so this is part of the master.
Oh, okay.
This master zone is divided into 2 rooms, with a bathroom plus this laundry room. And with all these walls, I've got no doubt Don's thinking wrecking ball. I'm glad they can see the potential inside, and I hope they can see more potential in this secret garden.
Oh, nice. Ow.
Isn't this cute?
It's a little hideout.
I know, right? Do you guys come to any conclusions?
I think we have.
We have.
Do you want to say it, or do you want me to?
I'll say it together.
Okay.
Vista Niguel.
That's fantastic.
Well, David, I was really surprised that you actually found that ocean view in that location. It's very hard to come by.
It has
Awesome.
everything that we really want. It has the most amazing ocean view.
Yeah, I'm glad we found an amazing place for you guys to call your forever home.